sir, to just enlighten us with some words of wisdom as he always does. So, GS sir, can you hear me?
Yeah, hi, Silas. It's a great opportunity, and I really welcome all of you. But before I start talking, couple of absolute barest minimum discipline. All those who are only listening and not speaking must mute the mic. Only then the rest of the people will be able to hear very clearly. Please follow the discipline because you may have some other call, you may have somebody else talking close by to you, or a dog barking, or a bird chirping. All of this affects the total
Yes,
meeting. So make sure that we learn the discipline of our online meeting as much as we always knew the discipline of the real physical meeting. So please mute it. Make sure that your mics are muted, right? Okay. So are you able to hear me?
yes, sir.
Okay. All right. So let
Yes,
me
sir.
start by congratulations on this new type of participation to the new type of participants in a very new mode. And I think it feels really very nice that Corona cannot keep the VLFM sleeping. Corona cannot hurt the community that we have built over a long period of time. Second point, you're all very lucky. You might say that being hurt by Corona, being hurt by the lockdown, and for 1.5 months business going down the drain, how can I say that you are lucky? I said that you are lucky that Professor Shoji Shiba for the last 12 years, 14 years has been talking about